My name's Nathan Gillespie, Managing Director of Phoenix Haulage and Phoenix Testing. Doing the haulage side for the last 4 years, 2020, with a fleet of log trucks, so running 4 of them. Phoenix Testing, we've just started at the start of the year, incorporated that and decided to go down the path of providing vehicle testing for Taranaki as an independent testing organisation.
Nathan from Phoenix Testing reached out to us as being market leaders in the supply of heavy vehicle workshop service equipment, and he was looking for a heavy duty truck brake tester along with a set of lifters and other required equipment to be able to perform a COF. We worked with Nathan in relation to his requirements of being able to not hold up any truck on the test lane for repairs and keep that open for the COF testing, but then still be able to carry out his repairs in his other business and some of his clients' businesses with their truck repairs and maintenance. So this led to an investment of the 6.5 tonne LiftMax columns from Levanta.
The experience we've had has been pretty good. It was a pretty quick process, and now they're installed. I highly recommend Levanta NZ to any future workshop equipment purchases.